Hi guys, and welcome to our playlist called From Concept to Creation, where we go behind the scenes as a video blog and show you how these massive creative theatrical events happen at our studio and around the UK. Now we've got an amazing team that work here, from set designers to makeup artists to models and other creatives that come and bring all these ideas to life. And what these series of videos are going to be doing is showing you how we go from our initial concept to how it was developed, how our sets are built, how the makeup was also created and decided, the lighting used to then create these images, and then the editing process to give those images the final wow factor. Now these videos will be showing you the troubles or mistakes or problems we actually faced doing these shoots and how they were rectified. We're going to be showing you also how to get more creative with your photography and showing you little tips and tricks you can actually get these results that you will see coming in the videos from each shoot. And it'd be nice to also have a diary about how these amazing images were actually captured as a documentation of our journey as a photographer and a business. Now I hope you will join us on that. Please consider liking and subscribing. We can't wait to share these videos with you, and I'll see you all very soon.